Hello guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. At today, pag-uusapan naman natin ng isang probiotic drink na halos lahat kilala. Ito yung Yakult. So sa vlog natin na to, pag-uusapan natin ng top 3 health benefits ng Yakult plus important things na hindi madalas sinasabi sa mga commercials. Guys, before tayo magpatuloy, make sure na tapusin nyo tong video na to kasi sigurado ako na marami kayong matututunan dito. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell icon para updated kayo sa mga susunod na video uploads ko. Ako nga pala si Jasper, isa akong licensed pharmacist. At quick disclaimer lang, this video is for educational purposes only. Hindi ito pamalit sa medical advice. Kung may medical condition ka, consult your doctor before regular probiotic intake. So let's start na. Ano nga ba yung Yakult? Ang Yakult ay isang fermented milk drink na may probiotic bacteria na tinatawag na Lactobacillus casei, Shirota strain. Ang probiotics ay good bacteria na tumutulong mag-balance ng gut microbiome, yung trillions of bacteria sa loob ng bituka natin. So, isang bote ng Yakult o may katumbas sa 65 ml, it contains around 6.5 billion live bacteria. May sugar din ito, skim milk at tubig, around 50 calories per bottle. Importanteng maintindihan, Yakult is not a medication or medicine. It's a functional food. So ngayon, ano ba yung benefits niya? Benefit number 1, improves gut health. Ito yung pinaka-main benefit niya. Kapag balance ang gut microbiome mo, mas maayos ang digestion, mas regular ang pagdumi, at mas less ang bloating. Kapag hindi balance, sinatawag na dysbiosis. Pwede kang makaranas ng constipation, diarrhea, gas or bloated stomach, abdominal discomfort, at minsan fatigue. Ang Lactobacillus casei Shirota strain ay studied strain yan. Ibig sabihin na pag-aralan siya kung kaya ba niyang mabuhay sa stomach acid, makarating sa intestines, mag-survive long enough para mag-benefit. May studies na nagpapakita na ng daily intake for several weeks improved bowel regularity at stool consistency. Pero linawin natin, Yakult does not cleanse toxins. Hindi nito nililinis ang bituka mo parang sabon. It helps maintain microbial balance. So yung benefit number 2 naman natin, supports immune system. Maraming hindi alam na malaking bahagi yung immune system natin ay nasa gut. Kapag healthy ang gut bacteria mo, mas maayos ang immune signaling natin. Some studies show that Lactobacillus casei Shirota may increase natural killer cell activity, reduce incidence of common colds, at ma-improve ang immune markers natin. Pero realistic tayo, hindi ito shield laban sa lahat ng sakit. Kung kulang ka sa tulog, stressed ka palagi, at kulang sa nutrients, hindi kayang i-cancel ng Yakult ang unhealthy habits. Probiotics support immunity. They don't replace vaccines, sleep, or nutrition. For benefit number 3 naman, it helps digestion and nutrient absorption. Kapag healthy ang gut lining at balance ang bacteria, mas efficient ang nutrient absorption. Kasi probiotic helps maintain intestinal barrier, assist enzyme activity, at reduce digestive discomfort. May evidence na balanced gut flora can support mineral absorption like calcium and magnesium. So kung gusto mong masulit ang nutrients sa kinakain mo, gut health is important. Now, let's talk about reality. Hindi lahat ng tao kailangan uminom ng Yakult araw-araw. Kung healthy ang diet mo, may high fiber intake ka, at wala kang digestive issues, okay ka na. Yakult is helpful but not mandatory. So let's have some myth versus fact portion. So unang myth, ginagamit yung Yakult pampapayat. So in fact, hindi ito fat burner. So another myth, detox drink ito. So yung fact naman natin dito, yung ating liver at kidneys ang nagde-detox sa katawan mo. So kaya pahalagahan natin yung liver at kidneys natin. So another myth, mas marami, mas better. Well, in fact, 1 bottle per day is more than enough. Sino yung pwedeng uminom nito? Generally, safe naman siya for healthy adults, school-age children, and sa mga seniors. Pero, sino naman yung dapat mag-ingat? Siyempre, yung mga immunocompromised individuals. Yung mga mahina yung immune system. Ayan. May severe gut disorders. Another is yung may mga uncontrolled diabetics dahil sa sugar content niya. Kung may medical condition ka, dapat magpakonsulta ka sa doktor. Paano naman ma-maximize yung benefits niya? Kung gusto mong mas maging effective yung Yakult, pair it with fiber-rich foods, avoid ultra-processed diet, sleep 7 to 9 hours per day, and dapat ma-manage mo yung stress mo at stay hydrated. Kasi yung probiotics thrive in healthy environments. So now, Yakult versus other probiotics, may ibang probiotic capsules na mas mataas ang CFU count, pero CFU count alone does not determine effectiveness. Mas importante pa rin yung specific strain at kung nagsusurvive ba yung mga good bacteria na iniinom natin. So Yakult uses a specific strain na well-researched, kaya masabi natin na effective siya, na nakakatulong sa ating gut. Now, for the summary, ano yung top 3 benefits ng Yakult? Number 1, improves gut health. Number 2, supports immune system. At number 3, enhances digestion and absorption. Yakult is a helpful probiotic drink. Kasi kapag meron tayong healthy gut, it's a foundation. At kapag meron din tayong healthy lifestyle, so syempre, ito yung pinaka-real solution kaysa sa mag-take ng mga any supplementation. So, ayun lang guys. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video natin ngayon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At kung gusto mo pang masundan ng ganitong topic about health, medication, nutrition, at wellness, i-comment mo lang sa baba kung ano yung next topic yung gusto mong i-feature natin. So guys, stay healthy, stay informed. Muli ako si Jasper, isa akong licensed pharmacist. Thank you for watching and see you sa next vlog. Bye-bye!